So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to hide last seen on WhatsApp. So let's get started. The first thing is that you simply need to click on your on the setting button. So once you get there, you click on privacy. So after which you are going to see last seen and online. Click on it. So once you're there, you simply click on nobody, since you don't want anybody to see your last seen. So guys, that is actually the way you actually hide your last seen on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.